Healthylicious fans, we're back with yet another healthy recipe. But don't be too surprised to know today's hero ingredient. It is spinach. But why spinach?
Ah, no. We are not making any salad or curry. How about something spicy, sweet, and tangy? And crispy too. So let's make Palak Patra, which everyone can enjoy. The strong flavors comes from tamarind, ajwain, and fennel seeds. The flavor of this roll will amaze your taste buds, and every bite that you take is an explosion of flavors. Sounds complicated, but it's very easy and simple to make. Let's see how to make a Palak Patra. To make the batter, let's get the large bowl and add the chickpea flour, ajwain, and coriander leaves. And let's add the usual suspects. The list is given in the description box, so do check. Let's add the very important ingredient now. It's tamarind puree and sugar. The tangy taste comes from tamarind puree, which is balanced with a hint of sweetness. For mild sweetness, we have added half a teaspoon of sugar. But I do feel that you might want to have a little sweeter, so add 1 to 2 teaspoon of sugar or gur to enhance the sweetness. Mix everything to combine. Slowly add water and whisking all the time to ensure you remove as many as lumps as possible. Continue whisking for 2 to 3 minutes until the paste is smooth. Now set it aside for 10 minutes. To assemble the patra, let's take the clean spinach leaf. Apply little pressure across the stalk to flatten its vein. Continue this process for all the leaves. This is an important step, so take your time. You can also organize the leaf by size. Let's try our first method. Lay out the spinach leaf on the clean and flat surface. Keep the dull side up. Top with a large spoonful of batter. Use the rubber spatula or the spoon to spread the batter over the leaf, covering every inch. Repeat the process until you have chain of 5 to 6 leaves. Start folding to form the tight roll and place it aside. Now let's move on to the next method. It is ideal for medium to small leaves and the end result will be similar to real patra, which is the big and multi-layered. Let's take the leaf and place it upside down. Let's fill with the batter. Make sure you cover all the edges. Let's get the second leaf and place on the first one to form a square. Spread the batter to cover all the inches of the leaf. Now repeat the process to pile up all the layers of leaf. Let's make the roll now. Starting from the top side, begin to form the tight roll. This will make a little bigger roll as compared to the first one and hence more layers. Let's try the third method now. This is the easy and no fuss way of making a spinach patra. It's work better for the large leaf as it will make a cocktail style patra with multiple layers. You can lay out the spinach roll upside down, spread the batter evenly to coat all the sides. Now let's start to roll from the top side to make a tight roll. Follow any one method to make all your rolls. Now we have to steam them to make a patra. Place all the prepared spinach roll inside the grease steamer tray. Cover the pan with a tight fitting lid and steam the patra for 10 to 15 minutes on low to medium heat. If you are making the roll with the second method, make sure you cook it little longer because it has more layers. Once they are done, transfer to the plate and let it cool down. Slice the cool patra with half an inch or the bite size using the sharp knife. If you prefer the lighter snack, you can eat them as they are without frying, but I think adding a tadka and making them crispy makes it really yummy and very good to taste. To pan fry patra the traditional way, heat the oil in a large frying pan, add the mustard seeds and wait for them to finish popping. Add hing, sesame seed, soap, and curry leaves. Arrange the patra slice in the pan and cook them on both sides until golden brown and crispy all over. Remove from the heat and garnish with the coriander leaves. Serve warm or at a room temperature with the choice of chutney or simply with the masala chai. Amazing and crunchy patra is ready.
Yum! I could just eat them all. If you're like me, try eating your greens the Healthylicious way. Make sure you check out our other HBites and please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for staying on healthy side. I'll see you in next video. Until then, stay healthy and stay happy.